Number 4 is Anycubic Kobra 3D printer. If you are searching for a dependable and proficient 3D printer for ABS printing, the Anycubic Kobra 3D printer is an excellent choice. This cutting-edge printer is engineered with a modular design, allowing for effortless assembly in as little as 10 minutes. It is ideal for those looking to start their printing projects quickly. One of the key features of the Kobra is its one-click auto-leveling system, which utilizes the Anycubic LeviQ Leveling system to adjust the heated bed in 25 points automatically, ensuring accurate and consistent printing every time. The direct drive extruder is also a notable feature, providing greater filament control and minimizing jitter during filament transmission, guaranteeing high-quality prints. The innovative printing platform of the Kobra boasts a combination of a PEI coating, spring steel plate, and magnetic sticker, which ensures excellent adhesion and facilitates easy removal of printed models. With a generous printing size of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, the Kobra provides ample space for DIY home and school projects and has been acclaimed by Tom's Hardware as the best 3D printer for beginners. If you are interested in this printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5